to go to all my alternative type channels. Now this is tutorial. I'm going to show how to make a Darth Vader sound in Audacity. So first you need to download it. I have a link in the description how to download it, and open Audacity. Wait to it open. And then you record your voice. Luke, I am your father. And then highlight it like this. And going on effects, change pitch, and then like going down to there, trying like this, and then you have to listen to it, are it great or not. So you heard that was great, so then okay, and then effects again, and then echo. Then echo, it will take first 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 5 0 0 0, and then okay, and then you wait till the echo's done. Then you just have to wait for the echo. It might take some time. Yes, now it's winner, and then you have to listen to it. So you heard that was great, and that's how the tutorial how to make a Darth Vader sound. See you guys later. Bye. No. Bye guys.